A sharp knife is arguably the best device that you can have in your kitchen. It makes cooking so much easier. So I sharpen my knives almost every single time that I use them. And I do that with just a simple stick sharpener. All you're doing while you sharpen your knife is just running it along the stick sharpener, and you're aiming to keep your angle of your knife equal every single stroke that you make. If you want to invest in a slightly more advanced device, they make amazing knife sharpeners that actually will hold your knife at the exact correct angle. I personally like the stick sharpener for its convenience, but every so often getting one of those knife kits that really is designed to put your knife blade exactly to the correct angle that it is supposed to be cutting at can be well worth the investment, especially if you're cooking often and especially if you are. I have one knife. This is my absolute favorite knife. I use it all the time. So if you're someone like me where you really have one knife that you use all the time, it's gonna get dull quickly and it's going to need some more intense sharpening. You can also send out your knives for sharpening, but use some caution. A bad knife sharpener can absolutely destroy a really good knife. So be sure that you are looking for evidence that their work is good, maybe read their Google reviews, or ask them, can you see a knife that they have sharpened in the past? You will also have to send out all of your serrated knives to get those sharpened professionally. But the sharper you keep your knife, the easier your cooking is going to be.